Make it work. From the first light, start of the day, to the last minute. Sometimes I make it here, other times I make it there, but most of all, I do it my own way, how I like it. Now and then I gotta make a call, you know. Other times I just call it. I like to make it on my own, together, or with a girl called Heather. She's nice to work with. I always try to make what I love though. And of course, don't forget the ones who love me. I wanna feel home when I work. You know, make coffee just to clear my head. Sometimes it's okay to make them wait, you know, make time for something else. Just to be with who you want and work with what you have. Because sometimes it's about them late hours and other times it's just the great hours. However you work though, make it work.